Hi everybody. I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading lately since New Year's, but I can still say Happy New Year. Mainly because of what's been going on with YouTube lately, and now I have a part-time job, and I have not gotten to a point where I'm starting to feel lazy on making videos, kinda. I still want to keep going with YouTube. I still do. It's just, I thought I'd let you guys know that. But yeah. There's that, and I hope you enjoyed my my bitter music video that I uploaded a couple days ago. It was on the 20th, so it could be. So we are gonna be looking at an old Bachmann engine today. This is one that I got on New Year's after Christmas. So here it is. This is my Bachmann Burlington Route 484 Northern type. Now, these Bachmann engines, I know they are not very good. I even saw a YouTuber that had a GS4 chassis system, Northern type, and his performed very badly. I mean, it performed very badly. It started limping, probably had an axle failure and all that, but yeah. This one, I will admit, it is not the greatest runner in the world, but its performance is not too bad. But what kind of sucks is that if I put too many cars behind it, then that's when it'll start to struggle very badly. And not just struggle. I mean, the rods will be all crooked, it'll be axle failure all over again, but yeah. So anyways, let's get this open out of the box. So yes, this Burlington Route 484 Northern type. There is a small story about this. When I saw this on eBay, well, before I saw this on eBay, I would say to myself, I've always wanted a Burlington Route Northern engine, but because it looks so interesting, don't they? Even though they're based off of the Santa Fe Northern type tooling, but hey, it still looks interesting. So when I saw this on eBay, the guy that I bought this from was selling it for $100, you know, which isn't too bad. You know, I watched it and so I started thinking about buying it. Until recently, he bargained it down to 94, and I'm like, ooh, okay. And that's when I said, all right, I'm buying this. And you know, when I got it, it came, and when it came, it didn't run very good because obviously I was kind of expecting what Bachmann engine in a box like this, you would expect for it not to perform very well. So yeah, I got this, and yeah, it didn't run. The axles were a bit, the axles failed a little bit. Even though this is a split chassis model, the axles do split open, so you can get access to the motor. So when it wasn't running, I opened it up, I gave it a lubrication, and hey, lo and behold, it ran fine. Its performance is not too bad, but although it is not the greatest. And hey, it even comes with smoke too, so I hope I remember to put some smoke fluid in there. Here's the bottle, except that's not the original bottle. The original bottle is somewhere else, and I'm still using that at the moment. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, let's stop talking. I know you want to see me open this. Now, bear in mind, this is not a review. I have to point it out to somebody. Oh, it's tight. Now, please bear in mind, this is not a review. Okay? Just because it's an unboxing does not mean it's a review. I'm not gonna give a bad score on this. It's a review. Because, well, I mean, no, it's not a review. It's an unboxing. I don't do reviews. Here's the instructions that came with it. I'm very glad this thing came with instructions. Yeah, it's kind of... Okay, it's upside down. Troubleshooting tips, short circuits, track maintenance, braking period. All that. Jibble jabble. Usually I connect the tracks together. Anyway. On with this. Let's start with the tender. And this is an oil burning tender, oddly enough. It's actually kind of cool. Well, it's actually kind of weird. These wheels, not because they're plastic, they're not, it's like they don't fit HO scale wheels, if that makes any sense. We all know how HO scale wheels look like, from a 33 millimeter to 36 millimeter. If they're classified as millimeters, I don't know. Well, we'll just say 33 to 36. These are much bigger. Way bigger. I don't think I got my caliper out and measured the wheels, but still though, they look really big. But apart from that, it's a really nice tender. It's absolutely huge. I do love this tender. Yeah. Anyways, let's get the engine out. Hopefully I can do this. Yep, I can. Okay, there we go. It's pretty heavy. It's a very heavy engine. That's good. We want weight, even though this thing is not very powerful. But it's still a nice looking locomotive. There's the cab. You do get really good. It looks like there's a lot of room in that cab. So if you're lucky, you might fit maybe 3 people in there. One guy for inspection and all that. Just close these wheels because these, like I said, these axles do split since it's a split chassis model. But yeah. Very, very nice. Alright, let's get this thing on the track and see how it runs. Okay, we're here on the layout and the engine is just out of shot. It's pretty much in front of the camera with me. So I'm going to put the tender on first. It's a really nice tender. It's like a 16-wheel tender. My bad. I almost said A because there's 8 wheels in each truck. So that makes it 16 in total. Here's the engine. Now it is kind of tricky to put this engine on a track because, like I said, the axles do split. Okay, get that. There we go. Now, like I said, on the performance, it's not the greatest. So you are going to have to forgive it for that. Okay. Sorry for tilting the camera. Alright. She's going to be running on my Rail Power 1370 controller. So here's her slow speed performance. Like I said, this is not a review. Oh, snap. That ain't good. Well, piece of styrofoam. Well, I don't think I can get it to... There we go, she's moving. I can't get it to go too slow, because like I said, this is an old engine. And it does... Well, if I can explain it, it has that kind of toy-like sound to it. Listen. See what I mean? Bring it back. Even though it is old, it does sound a bit toy-like, but hey... I still love her for it, you know. So she is going to be pulling some of my freight cars that I got over the New Year's. Now, I do have a lot more freight cars that I just bought. They're in my new stacks of drawers, storage drawers. But if I take it too far, she really will struggle. She will not be able to manage it unless she gets a helper. But yeah, she's going to be holding a lifelike auto carrier. I do have a plain auto rack. Ooh, hint, hint. 2 box cars. One of them's I don't know the red one, but I know the yellow one is definitely a Milwaukee Road. There it is, right there. 2 tanker cars, 1 Texaco, 1 Shell, and one of my all-time favorites of the rolling stock lot, the Milwaukee Road Caboose. I absolutely love that one. That one's a really smooth runner. Okay. Tilt the camera up slightly. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Before I put the smoke fluid in, let's see if she'll pull it. Yes, she will. Alright. Now let me get the smoke fluid. It's just right here. Now to drop it in. Hopefully this will work. Come on. 1, 2. Sorry for my hand shaking. This really is tight. Alright, I think a third one just dropped in there. I can't tell. Because I really have to squeeze the bottle to get that smoke fluid out. Back. Alright. Now let's see if she'll run. And I love the smoke unit in this thing. It is just absolutely awesome. Look at that. That's smoking beautifully. I don't even know if you could see it that time. But my God. I love it. I really do love it. It smokes really beautifully. And I bet you I can't even get my 060 to smoke that good anymore. I don't even know if I even burned the smoke unit out on that one. But this one, it's old, it's, you know, not the greatest performer, but the way it smokes, I love it. I think it's stopped now. Oh no, it's still going just. Oh, it stops. Oh, that's alright. Move stuff around. Yeah. Really nice performer. I love it a lot. Alright, I think she's out of smoke fluid, but that's okay. Or out of smoke, really. I'm just going to stop her right here. Alright, there is a bit of a whisk coming out, but I'm not sure if the camera can even pick it up. Or let's see if I can... No, I don't think the camera can pick it up. I think it's already gone. But yeah. That is the video of my Burlington Route 484 Northern Type. This thing is awesome. I'll admit it. This thing is really awesome. I love the smoke unit in this. I don't know why I have a feeling the smoke unit in the older Bachmann engines are a bit better than the modern ones. Since in my 060, I can't get it to smoke very much anymore. Well, I can, but yeah, it's just not that good anymore, how it used to be. I guess I used that one up too much when I first got it. But yeah, this one, very, very awesome. It has made me love this thing even more. So yeah. So that is the video of my unboxing of the Burlington Route Northern Type. Again, this is not a review. This is not a review. I say again, I do not do reviews. I am terrible at doing reviews because I won't know what the hell I'm talking about when I do reviews. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll make this engine leave. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.